What's up, dirt people? Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. I'm not going to do too many of these tool reviews just because there's very good channels on this type of stuff that I can't even mess with. We do the off-roading stuff because no one destroys their off-road vehicles, but we just record personal owners. So this thing just came out a few months ago. You're not going to see too many of them. Every time I look for reviews on them, you'll find somebody that they're the only ones in the country that has it, whatever. Just to confirm that, and I don't want to discourage any of you guys from buying it, I saw this in a flyer that was still warm from the printer at my place where I go buy trailer parts, and it was advertised this with 4 batteries and a charger. So I ordered it. It's the, what is it, the 9000 series? Yeah, 96, but yeah, it's whatever, it's considered the 9000 series. I opened it and all it came was the tool with the long anvil, and well, that's it. No chargers, no anything. So my option was to return it, order the proper one. It was something they said, oh no, the SKU from when it landed wasn't updated in the system. It was totally their mistake, but whatever. The supplier, not the company, where you got to get it through their authorized distributors. So my option was return this and then buy the same order again, and it should come back with the packs and everything. Back ordered for months away though. I got the last 2 batteries in the state. It only came with 2 and a charger for single. The kit's supposed to come with 4 and a charger for double. But just the way things are going right now, I was worried it would take a year to get this and I wouldn't be able to have it, and I want it for the RV. I have the semi, that's what I really need it for. But you could crank up the air compressor. I usually pull out external tanks to do those. It's a big pain. The compressor, the external tanks, you got your ear cans on, it's just too much noise. And then also I wanted this, I don't know, I have a bad hand. Friends of the channel couldn't know what's going on, but I don't want to get into it on this. The ergonomics. When you pick it up with a battery pack, it's perfectly balanced. When I first picked it up without the battery pack on it, it just weighed down because the front tool, I don't know if you guys see it, it just dug in. It's a heavy beast, but it's well balanced with the battery packs. So I'm only gonna do 1 or 2 of these to show you. I gotta take the rest of these off. I might get one of the guys to help me just because my bad hand. I don't know how it's gonna take this, but we'll see. Oh, come on. That's scary. Oh, damn. Damn. I got this. Oh man, this thing's sexy. All right, I'm gonna have the guys help me finish this off just to not mess up my hand, but yeah, this thing's awesome. I got a weld in here, you can see that. So I'll put it back on. They advertise this can do 250 bolts at 3,000 foot-pounds of torque, which is insane. The nearest competitor only claims 2,000. And yeah, like I said, there's better channels for this type of stuff. They put it up on charts and everything. This thing's an absolute monster. Yeah, it's gonna be hard working with the chubby. So I took them all off. I repaired this already, whatever, I welded and then painted for paint protection, but you're not watching that for this. So check this out. And I just switched, this handle pivots. You just loosen this and move it around so you can get more comfortable. But so that's your reverse. That's 1, 2, and 3. In reverse, it's full power. This one, here it is. I told you there's better channels for this. 180, I don't know why it's a 250, and then for that, and then 400-ish, and then that's 220 to 3,000. So I'll start here. One of the cool things about this is there's no on button. There's no anything. You just grab it, just like all my other tools. You just grab it and you go. All right, maybe mind your hubcaps, huh? Oh, that's why. Come on. All right, let's keep going. And like I said, my hand, that's why I don't have my gloves, to show you guys that even kind of weak-handed you could do this. I forgot I'm a lefty or ambidextrous, so I just switched and it doesn't hurt as much. It's got automatic shut off too. See, it just dies on its own. So I'm gonna keep doing this. We'll fast forward till I'm tightening them. So the lugs right here say up to 450, whatever, 450 to 500. So I'm just gonna tighten them on this setting, but I'm gonna button them up good. Oh yeah, it does auto turn off. That's nice. I'm also waiting to see how long this thing lasts, the batteries. But again, I'll fast forward, see what's going on. I already lost count. All right, so I was gonna get these because I have to measure the torque in 1/2 inch, but it's kind of loose. I don't want to damage my bolt. Every video I've seen of these where they measure, it actually outperforms. So everyone lists on the conservative side for this. So I'm assuming it's good. And the whole reason, here's the thing, I changed both. So I got to go over here and tighten them. I know this tire or that wheel was on the other side, and I noticed there was wear. So just to test how many lug nuts I can take off and put on, I rotated the tires. So I got to go get it aligned. I'll be fine. I'm gonna see if this doesn't roll too much. I'm gonna tighten a few and then set her back down. But let's see if this doesn't pop out. They claim 250 or something like that bolts for this. That's insane. That'll let you do a whole trailer, a whole RV, and I don't need air. I don't need external tank. Like I said, I could pack this into under the RV compartment. Damn, he's a monster. All right, I'm gonna keep going and then I'll cut back to tightening them because I'm not doing a good job of rotating here. Okay, so I've tightened them already on that setting. Now on the second setting again. I gotta set, you know what? I should set this jack down. I'm gonna set the truck down and keep going. All right, I lowered it enough just to make contact. I'm just gonna fast forward here for you guys. So you guys get the point with that, but I took it to Freddie & Sons Tires. He's my local tire guy. He's awesome. He also does beadlocks for you guys that are watching this, that watch the off-road content. But this is his son. I took them. They used it for a day of work. It was awesome. Also notice how they rotated the handle for right-handed use. How's it feel?
Feels good. Feels light compared to the other ones.
Nice and smooth, and it doesn't jack you all up, huh?
Oh, the other one's light over here.
It's got automatic cutoff too, so like it cuts itself off.
Yeah. Like right there, man.
Yeah.
You can feel it too.
Yeah, but yeah, like that you could just rest on it, on the trigger. You don't got to worry about it. And I mean, no on button or nothing. You just pick it up like a normal power tool.
It's pretty neat.
Real quick, customer asked me to check and tighten the wheels on that trailer, and this one of these fell off last month. So he wanted me to make sure they're all tight, and I did it quick with this. They were surprised when I didn't bring an entire service truck. I already did the other two, and then a driver showed up with another one of my trailers. So I'm gonna tighten these really quick. I'll be done in like 2 minutes. So 4 trailers at 40 lugs each is 160, and it took me about 25 minutes to do all of them. What is it taking me 8 hours waiting for the air compressor every 3 bolts to tighten. Guns, awesome. All right. But now back to the RV to wrap up the review. That's impressive. My hand doesn't hurt. I have my pneumatic one. I can't do more than 1 tire. But here's the point. You guys heard me in the beginning complaining about the battery pack and everything I had to do to source this and how much more expensive it was. I did get screwed. Honestly, I paid twice the price. So when we go off in this, if you need help, if you need parts, you need tools, chances are the only one that's gonna help you is a truck driver that can help you. If you're lucky, another RVer like you, but your stuff might be too big for any tools they got, you could always return a favor, rotate their wheels like I just did. You'll always have something to offer. And it just, no lines, no external tanks, all that. You guys saw how fast it loads up. Tightening these bolts, it takes forever. The air, you gotta let it go back up. You guys know. Here's the main seller though. This truck, this is my off-road truck. Of your friend of the channel, you know, we go off-roading in it, we do scouting in it, we use it for videos, we do everything. I have trailers for rent all around the local area that I go and service. I got a ladder, I got this to do roof patches. Shout out to Flexio, man. This stuff's awesome. Any patch from your house to your RV to your whatever, your trailer. But I can go and service everything except brakes and tires, because I need an external tank, I need an air compressor, I need a chase, not a chase truck, but an actual service vehicle, and I don't want to dedicate or buy one. So I throw this on. You guys just saw 20, so what to do, 80 lugs right now, and tightening, you guys know how much it does. And then I charged these 2 days ago and just left them full charge. I could still go. I got those 2 tires, got some wheels here somewhere, unless I just got jacked. Oh, over there. Clean those up. I'm gonna mount those tires to those wheels. I have my off-road air tank in case I ever need to inflate anything. I just throw this in there. This, my off-road toy, turns into a $40,000, $50,000 service vehicle because of this. I can do anything I want now. I fit generators up here, welders, nothing can stop me. So yeah, I would pay 2 to 3 times as much for something like this. I'm glad the market finally delivered. So whatever, I don't know if you agree or not, leave your comments, but thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share if you found it helpful. And of course, as always, keep it dirty.